Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade or stock of the day, and today, no doubt about it, it's BBW. BBW was an AI alert right here at 2020, and you can see it got all the way up to 2263 before it finally pulled back. That's a great percentage move. BBW was an earnings play, and I was mentioning in the room that even though we're not in earnings season anymore, very few companies releasing earnings now, but this has some brand awareness. Build-A-Bear, I think a lot of people have heard of this one. So consequently, traders who are looking for earnings plays, there's not very many. So if they find one, a lot more eyes can be kind of focused on one of them. When we're in earnings season, you know, you've got 700 companies releasing earnings or 1,000 during the week. You can get tugged in many different directions. But again, when you have very few companies releasing earnings, a lot more focus can be on one of them. And I think this is what's happened with BBW. And I don't know where this is going. I mean, this still has a shot. Right up here it's almost an all-time high. I think you have to go back to 2015 to see a $23 level. So this is almost an all-time high, and this was so great alert from the AI. 22 getting up to at 2020 and getting all the way up to 2250 before it pulled back. So I want to definitely get back in the room. We've had a lot of excitement, lots and lots of activity again, even though it's, you know, people think that slows down in December. Not at all. So I want to get back into the room. I will open the room. Actually, I'm opening the room at, it says 9 a.m. I'm going to open the room. I'm going to try to start opening it at 8. I will not be on the mic until 9, but I'll try to start opening the room at 8 o'clock, okay? And so if you want to show up at 8, the room should be open. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.